Yo, what's happening, guys? Coming at you from down4soundshop.com. And in this video, we're going to be going over just a couple of the options that we have for like alternator distribution blocks. We got reducers, all kind of machined parts that people use in their builds that you may not know that we have. And we also have a bunch of things coming in, like your battery distro blocks, or just distro blocks that you want to, like, say a 0 gauge to the back, and then you want to go to like 2 or 3 0 gauges or 4 gauges from there, or dual in. And so we're gonna have a bunch of those distro blocks because we know they're a very popular thing. But one of the most popular ones is your 0 to 4 gauge, because people want to, like, if you're running a smaller 4-channel amp, most of the time it's gonna like require a 4 gauge wire and not a 0 gauge. So the way that you get that to work, if you want to run all the same size wire, is just by doing these reducers like you see right here. So this, you're going to have 0 gauge going in and then 4 gauge going into your amplifier, so it makes it really easy and it keeps all your wiring the same size, so it doesn't like look like a little funky. Some people are big on, or ADD on that. Another thing that people are wanting is your alternator distribution blocks. We have these in a few different sizes, but the dual one is the most popular. I think we have 3 and 4 on the output stud. If you want to go overboard and it be clean, this is a great way to do it. This goes, like, hooks to your alternator stud right here, and you'll have 2 0 gauge wires coming off of it going to your battery bank. Or again, like, we have this in a 3 and a 4 as well, so you could have 3 or 4 runs of 0 gauge coming out of your alternator output stud, and make it where you're transferring all the juice that you can. But again, this is just some of the things we have, probably 50 different like machined parts, so be sure to check them out by going, again, there's going to be a link in the description of this video, and you can go to the machined parts and check them out. And if you have any other questions, you're more than welcome to ask me in the comments below. You can give me a call at 702-701-9800. You can also email us or hit the contact us option on the website and get in touch with us there as well. We'd be glad to help you out with anything that you might need with Down4Sound products. We'll see you in the next one. Later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Lifer Price, and also Down4Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget Snapchat. I'm JP D4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.